Hey kids, this is the online how to solve your Math 7 online homework number 1. We're looking at supplementary angles, angles that add up to 180, complementary angles, angles that add up to 90 degrees, and then using the supplementary angles rule and intersecting lines, creating vertical angles. Yeah, it was a fun lesson, I'm sure, for all of you. Okay, so in review, a straight line is half of a circle. A circle is 360 degrees, so that half a circle is 180. So since half a circle is 180, these two add up to 180, so I'm going to take 130 away from 180, leave me with 50, and that gives me this angle here. Going to repeat the process over here. This square, of course, is the right angle symbol, and that is 90 degrees. And I already know that 90 is half of 180. So I've got 90 over here. Number 3, I've got 48 degrees, so I subtract 48 from 180. I take the 40 away from 80, I'm left with 40. Take away 8, that leaves me with 2, and that's 132 degrees. Okay. Over here, we have 90-degree angles. These are complementary. So I'm going to subtract 64 degrees from 90. That's 30 minus 4, so 26. All right, yep, that adds up. You're always going to get a tens pair. And I've got 31, so take 31 away from 90, that's 60. Take away 1 is going to be 59. So 59 degrees. What a complementary angle pair that is. Over here, I've got variables, so I am going to make an equation. I've got 1x there for 2 x's, plus 10 more. Going to equal a 90 degrees. So this is a two-step equation. I'm going to take away the constant there, reduce that to 80. I'm going to divide away this coefficient because it's multiplying, because it's 2 x's. I'm going to bring it down to just 1x. And I get x equals 40. So coming up here, there's a 40-degree angle, and 40 plus 10 would make that a 50-degree angle. And 50 and 40 add up to 90. Okay. Coming over here, I actually saw this on Jack Snow's paper. He drew arrows like this. I don't know if he got it from the book, if he just made it up, but he was just like, hey, these are the same. I liked it. It was kind of cool. The ones that are across from each other are the same, so this is 136. And we're going to take 136 away from 180, and so that's going to leave me with 50. Take away 6 is 44. And that means there's 44 degrees here, and there's 44 degrees there. That's cool. I kind of like that. It kind of reminds me a little bit of a snowflake. You know what I'm saying? Especially in this one. Snowflake there, or like a Native American symbol, Boy Scout symbols or something like that, right? That's cool. Anyways, how can I make math homework more boring? And let's see, we got 47 degrees down here because that is a vertical angle. We take the 180 degrees, take away the 47. 180, take away the 40, that leaves me a 4. Take away the 7, and that's going to be 33. Leave the 1. It's 133 degrees here. Coming over the math puzzle. Okay, so I know that A is a 90-degree angle. That's an easy one because it says so right there. I see intersecting lines right here, these two. So these two angles are the same. There's the little arrows. So I've got a 50 right here. I'm going to take 50 away from 180. And that's like 13, right? So 130 right there. And then these two make up another 90-degree angle complementary pair. So if I take 50 away from 90, I get 40, and that's going to be angle B. And that is the solutions to your Math 7 online homework number 1. See you soon.